Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Ketchum, and currently I work as a reentry case manager for a nonprofit drug and alcohol center. And right now I work specifically with people who do have a drug or alcohol substance abuse diagnosis, and I go into the prisons where they are and help them transition back into the community. Formerly, I also worked in an inpatient geriatric unit, and there I would see a lot more of dementia-related diagnoses and sometimes schizophrenia and psychosis unspecified. Those are just some of the few that popped into my head. I don't actually work with a practitioner to make diagnoses. I have never had the responsibility of assessing someone for a diagnosis. As a case manager, I only assess for the needs of what these individuals will need once they're released from the prison and return back into the community. But I do participate in a treatment team where I work very closely with the individuals who will address these diagnoses, whether it's working with substance abuse counselors or mental health counselors, or when I worked in the inpatient geriatric unit, I would provide my notes and observations to the practitioners. And so I'm looking forward to learning more about how this process leads to diagnoses. Just flipping through the DSM, is definitely intimidating, but I'm up for the challenge and I look forward to working with everyone. Thank you.